everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back with another wig review. Now before I get into the video, I do want to put out a disclaimer. If you guys hear any noise, it's probably the fan or the washing machine. I'm washing clothes and drying and all that stuff, so I definitely wanted to let you guys know ahead of time, so I do apologize for the extra noise. But anywho, it's been a while since I've done a wig review, so I was recently sent this cute wig and it is synthetic, so you guys know I'm definitely going to give you the deets on this wig. I will let you guys know all about it as far as the... See, I'm almost forgetting what I'd be doing when I do a wig review. I'm gonna give you the specs and all that, and of course give you guys the price points, and then of course I will let you guys know how I feel about it. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Decide which way to go. Think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Ooh, hey, ooh, I'm trying to decide which way to go. Think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? Try to move, but I lost my way. Saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and it also has an adjustable strap. Now as you guys saw, it did have some lace right here, so this pretty much would be a lace closure. Now I realized when I cut the lace it was 2 laces, so not too sure if that was an accident or that's just how they made this wig, but anywho. Now I did receive this wig off of Amazon. This is from the store, I assume this is the store. It says Her Creta Wiggy. I'm not too sure, but the name is right here for you guys. So this is their black highlight body wave synthetic wig, and it retails for $22.99, so very affordable. Y'all know I am all for affordability, especially when it's on Amazon, okay? So it says about 26 inches. It could be. Once again, it is body wave. So technically body wave is a shrinkage type of texture. So it could be 26 inches. Now, as you guys see, it is a middle part. I went ahead and put some powder in the part. Sometimes I decide not to, but today I definitely did because it was just looking a little, you know, it was looking a little weird. So I did add some powder in the parts. I also put a little hair wax in the back because I don't know if you guys could tell, but it was a little bumpy right here. And I did put a tad bit of heat on it just to flatten it down as best as I could. So it's looking a little bit better. Now it says the cap is a medium size, 19 inches to 23 inches. And adjustable strap, which makes it suitable for most head sizes. Let's see what else. Heat resistant fibers stand heat up to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. They said that the hairline was pre-plucked, but in my opinion, it wasn't pre-plucked, but hey, I wasn't really paying attention to that. Now, y'all know, depending on how the wig looks, sometimes I'm not a fan of the whole front highlight, but this is really, really cute. This is really cute. really cute. I really do like it. When I first put it on, I was like, not too sure, but she is definitely cute. Maybe it's because, maybe one reason is because my makeup is real subtle, real soft today, so that could be a reason as well. But yeah, she is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. You guys know I usually do it twice, but here's the front. This is how the front looks with this wig. Here's the side, the back, and the other side. So she is really cute. She's not really tangly, but I haven't really messed with her. I just brushed her out a little bit, but she is cute. I really, really do like her. The body weight is nice. The length is nice. The color is nice. It's really fitting for me today, so I like it. So you guys go ahead and let me know what you think about this wig as far as the color, the texture, the length, all that stuff. Does it look good on me? Would you rock this wig? Y'all let me know down below. I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it and hope to work with them again in the future. You guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Of course, don't forget to comment down below and share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Which way to go?